Now that we've generated some data, we probably want to share this information with other colleagues or stakeholders. You have a few options when it comes to sharing. You can add them as direct collaborators to your project, or you can share the final reports directly with those that you want to have access to that information. To add them as collaborators, you can select the Share button in the upper right-hand corner here. By doing so, you can add those users by email directly to this project and give them certain permissions, like a coordinator who can manage data but also user access to this project. Editors or other analysts will be able to come in and measure and annotate and generate reports, or just add them as a viewer just to have view access to this project. You can also just copy the view link directly and publish this link anywhere online to have others have access to this visual data. You'll also have the ability to be able to modify the user settings, such as allowing users to share view-only links, or also allowing editor users to be able to remove users from projects and folders. You can also generate a report of specific annotations, progress data, or other data in general by selecting the Report tab. Let's check out the annotation report. In this report, we can see a map of our project with all of our annotations listed, numbered, classified, and labeled with their specific type of annotation. We can then print this report directly or share this report and send a link to this report to other stakeholders.